Hey, what's up, you guys? Gemini Jet Review here. I did an airport update earlier this day. I told you I'm gonna do some infinite flight videos because of the new infinite flight update in a week or two. I'm actually due one today because I just want to show you guys. This is the AirTran 717. This plane is landing at LaGuardia on runway 4. So I'm just gonna show you it. This plane right now, currently, it's about 1,400 feet and descending because it's landing at LaGuardia, and there's not a lot of wind, and I'm going 193 knots. So there's one thing that really surprised me, like one of the best things about the update. I'll show you after the landing. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is play the video. I'm going to show you a control tower. So right here is the AirTran 717 coming into approach to runway 4 at LaGuardia from the control tower view. This is the same landing that I did before, just a control tower view. So I think I did a smooth landing. And then you see the reverse buckets go on. Yep, so that was just the control tower at LaGuardia Airport. So what I wanted to show you is the cabin. So right here is like the cabin. So I think they did a really good job. First job, it's not perfect, but it's really good. The Infinite Flight update also include the 757, as I've said before, in multiple liveries. So I will make some landings and takeoffs of the 757-2s and other airplanes soon. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.